Hello everyone, this is teacher Marsha, and today we're going to talk about division with remainder. So sometimes when we divide numbers, the numbers we are dividing cannot be equally distributed among the given sets. So we have remainders or what we call leftover. Let's take a look on the following example. Noor wants to share her money to 3 of her friends. If she has 10 reals, how much does each of her friends get? So what are we gonna do? We're going to divide 10 by 3. So what is the answer? Let's find out. So imagine that these are Noor's friend. So we will distribute 10 reals equally to 3 of her friends. Okay, let's start. So 1, so we have equally gave the money to Noor's friend, but there is 1 real left. So this leftover is what we call remainder. So let's write now the number sentence. 10 divided by 3. So 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And the leftover, we write it as remainder. You can write R1. So 3, remainder 1. So let's have another example. Say we have 17 divided by 5. So there are 2 ways on how we can write our division sentence. Number 1 is to write it as the common number sentence. So like this one. And the second one is to write and solve it in column, like this one. So you can write your division sentence using these 2 ways. Okay, let's solve 17 divided by 5 using an array. So how many groups of 5 is there in 17? So let's count by 5 till we reach 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, now let's circle the groups of 5 that we have made. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 groups of 5 and there is 2 left over. So we write 3, remainder 2. On the other hand, we can use this column method by dividing 17 by 5. So how many groups of 5 is there in 17? Let's use our basic multiplication knowledge. What number are we going to multiply to 5 to get to the nearest number to 17? So we can multiply 3 to 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we do subtraction. 17 minus 15 is 2. So we have 2 as our remainder. So 3, remainder 2. Now that you know the concept of remainder, let's go to the practice exercises in your student book, page 168 and 169. Let's begin with let's try it. There were 42 learners waiting for a bus to take them home from school. Each bus carries 10 learners. So far, 4 buses have stopped. How many learners are still waiting for a bus? So let's use the dots to represent the numbers of learners. So we have 42 learners. Then we're going to circle groups of 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have how many left over? We have 1. So we have 1 and 2. Okay? So there are 2 dots remaining. And how many groups of 10 did we make? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups of 10 dots. So we can write the number sentence as 42 divided by 10 is equal to 4, remainder 2. Now let's move on to let's practice. Number 1, we have to complete this word problems. Letter A. Let's read the problem. Taya is putting 3 books onto each shelf. She has 28 books to place. How many shelves does she need and how many books are remaining? So we can represent this word problem by drawing dots or by drawing circles, or at home you can use any counters that are available to represent the word problem. So let's draw 28 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Now we're going to circle 3. Right. So Taya needs how many shelves? So you're going to count the number of groups that you have made. So let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 groups. So right here 9. And how many books remaining? We have 1 left over. We have 1 left over, so right here 1. So let's write the number sentence as 28 divided by 3 is equal to 9, remainder 1. Let's continue. Letter B. Toby is putting his toy cars into boxes. Each box can hold 6 cars. Toby has 57 cars to put away. How many boxes are filled and how many cars are remaining? So we're going to divide 57 by 6. And you're going to write your answer here. And the leftover here. And then write your number sentence here. Okay? So 57 divided by 6. And then your answer here. So for letter C, Han has a case of 83 oranges. He is putting the oranges into bags that each hold 9 oranges. How many bags does Han use and how many oranges are remaining? So you have to divide 83 by 9. 83 divided by 9. So write your answer here and your remainder here. And then your final answer here. Now let's go to question number 2. Answer these division questions using remainders. For letter A and letter D, you'll just have to write your answer inside the box. But for letter B and letter C, the answer is already given. Now for letter B, you just have to think of a number that when you multiply to 4 and when you added 4, you will get 24. Okay? So if you know the 4 times table, you can count by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So that is 4 times 5, and then you add 4, you will get 24. So we can write here 24 divided by 5 is equal to 4, remainder 4. So for letter C, you just have to multiply 2 and 8, as we know that the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So 2 times 8 plus 1. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Okay? Let us continue with your workbook, practice 5, page 150 up to page 153. So this activity is the same with the one that we have answered in the student book. Letter A, circle the buttons in groups of 4. So there are how many buttons here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18. And we're going to make groups of 4. So that is 18 divided by 4. Now let's circle the buttons into groups of 4. So how many groups of buttons did we make? So we have 4. And how many buttons remaining? We have 2. So 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4, remainder 2. So please do the same with letter B, letter C, and letter D. Let us continue with number 2. Divide 28 peanuts equally among 4 monkeys. So we're going to use counting blocks to represent the number of peanuts and to show the division. So 2 tenths is equal to 20 ones. So 20 plus 8, that is 28. And we're going to divide 28 by 4. So as you can see, the blocks is already divided into 4 groups. So we are going to count how many blocks is there in each group. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 28 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And how many are left over? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6, remainder 4. So that's it for your student book and workbook. Now you're going to answer this worksheet. Divide these 2-digit numbers by 2, 3, 4, or 5. So I will give you 2 examples. Let's start with number 1, 29 divided by 3. Here you can make an array or you can count by 3s. So let's do first by making an array. So we are going to count by 3 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So how many groups of 3 did we make? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we can write here at the top of 29, 9. Then let's multiply 9 by 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Because this is 27. Up to here is 27. So just write 27. 29 minus 27 is equal to 2. You will see that there is 2 leftovers here. So we're going to write here 9, remainder 2. Number 2, 28 divided by 5. So we're going to count by 5 up to 28. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now let's circle groups of fives. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this group of 5, if we're going to count it, it's 25. Okay? So let's write here 5. 5 times 5, that is 25. Next step is subtraction. 28 minus 25 is 8 minus 5 is 3. So we have remainder 3. 5, remainder 3. So please do number 3 up to number 12. So that ends my session for today. I hope that you have learned from our lesson. And see you all next week and have a nice day.